Hello. Hello. Nishad,
Yeah, I'm here.
are you getting me?
Yeah, yes, Vijay, I'm getting you.
Okay. You remember this IPv4 policy we create for internet access?
Yes,
What net we do there? Is it source net or is it destination net?
yes.
What net we do?
Source net.
Nishad,
Actually, source will be WAN.
source will be WAN. No man. No, WAN will be the source. Correct. After post net WAN will be the source. Post net WAN will
Source
be
will
the
be the
source.
WAN and destination will be the LAN.
No, my friend. How come destination can be the LAN? For internet access, destination cannot be the LAN. See my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. If we have any inside users trying to go to internet, if we have any inside user trying to go to internet, then what is the source and destination IP? Okay, let's suppose my source IP is 172.16.21. Okay, and destination is 8.8.8.8. Okay, my source is that source is trying to go to that destination. That's pre-net. What will happen after net? I want you all to understand this. This is very important. Tahir, you understand this?
Yeah, I got it now. I got it in a way, but until now I am okay. But I don't know what's the next. But yeah, until now it's okay.
Vijay, you showed a picture, na? Just can you just take that one?
No, this is for destination net. This is for
Yeah.
outside users trying to access inside firewall. This is for that thing. This is not internet access. I am talking about internet access. This is not internet.
Like
access.
inside, it's inside to outside, right? Like inside of any server trying to access the internet, right?
No, this is outside users trying to access internet. Sorry,
No,
man, we are
the question you asked.
Okay, wait.
The question you asked.
Let's talk about one thing. Either we can discuss about internet access, or we can discuss about outside user trying to connect in internal server.
This internet access I got it, Vijay.
Okay, let's discuss about first internet access. Who didn't get internet access? Anyone who have not understood internet access net? What net we do internet access? Barun?
सर हेलो
हाँ
सर बोलिए
हाँ वरुण बताओ, आपको इंटरनेट एक्सेस समझ में आई है कि हम इंटरनेट एक्सेस के समय हमारा नेट क्या होता है, कैसा नेट होता है, वो कौन सा नेट होता है?
इंटरनेट
सोर्स नेट होता है या डेस्टिनेशन नेट होता है इंटरनेट एक्सेस के समय?
सोर्स बेस्ड नेट होता है,
सोर्स नेट होता है ना? और चेंज किस में होता है? सोर्स, हमारा सोर्स आईपी चेंज हो जाता है वैन आईपी में,
पब्लिक आईपी में, जो हमारा वन आईपी में,
जो हमारा वैन आईपी उसमें चेंज हो जाता है, और डेस्टिनेशन सेम रहता है। जो पहले डेस्टिनेशन था नेट से पहले, डेस्टिनेशन वही रहता है। ठीक है,
एक टेबल मेंटेन करके रखता है, जैसे वहां से लिखा जाता है अकॉर्डिंग टू उसको रिप्लाई से।
everybody understood this? While accessing internet we do source net. Our source IP is changed to the public IP of the firewall. Is it okay for all?
Yes.
I understand now.
Arun?
Yeah. So can you repeat once again when you are trying to access like into out or out to in? Can you explain me that?
No, we are now discussing about internet access. When we do internet access, what kind of net we do?
Pat.
Yes, we do PAT. That's fine enough. But do we translate our source IP or we translate our destination IP?
Translate our source IP.
Source to destination.
Translate our source IP only.
Okay. Let me go one by one. Nishad, you understood this?
Yeah.
When we access internet, let's suppose my server, my source IP is 172.16.16.21. Okay, trying to go ping 8.8.8. So what will be my source? What will be my destination? My source will be my IP 172.16.16.21. Destination will be 8.8.8. Correct?
Yes, correct.
That's before NAT. Okay. Now when
Yeah.
this packet reaches the firewall will NAT. What firewall will
Yeah.
NAT? Firewall will NAT the source IP.
Yes.
And what the source IP will change? The source IP will be
So
changed
source
to
IP will be the WAN IP.
WAN IP, which is 192.168.1.49, and
Yeah.
destination will be same 8.8.8.8.
8.8.
Right? You understood now?
Yes. Sir.
Arun, you understood?
Yes, now understood.
Tahir, you?
Yes, yes,
Varun, you understood this? Jibin?
Very well.
I understand, sir.
Okay. Now let's go to destination NAT. When users from outside is trying to access an internal server. Check this figure. If you don't understood anything, let me know. See this.
Outside source access our local server.
Yes. Yes. Anyone have issue? Tell me.
User the outside person.
Yes, user is outside person.
Like outside to inside, right? It is.
Yes, outside to inside it is.
So outside to inside. Okay.
It is directly connected to our firewall, sir.
No, of course, no.
To ISP.
It cannot directly connect to our firewall. No one can directly connect to our firewall. It's ISP. I'm just saying that this user is trying to connect 192.168. This network. It is trying to connect. I'm not saying that it is directly connected.
Oh, achha.
I am saying
this is our one IP.
By this line, I mean that the packet is traversing. The packet is going to firewall. I mean to say, by joining this line, I doesn't mean to say it's directly connected. I'm just trying to say the packet is flowing from this user to the firewall. Okay.
Okay. Now I get it. These are the same network.
Hmm? No, these are not same network.
191.61.49 and these are two IP both same network. The power of 191.61.75 either 1.49.
Don't care about this IP. Don't care about this IP.
It is in different network.
Let's suppose this is some IP XXXX. If you can keep some XXXX.
Okay, fine. So
don't care about.
So we have to implement to some rule to access public IP.
Yes, correct. But that's what I am trying to convince you of. That what is changing here? Source is changing, destination is changing. What is changing here? What will change after NAT and pre-NAT, post NAT and pre-NAT? What will change in the packet?
Source IP will change.
After NAT, sir, it is destination changing, sir. Destination is changed.
No, okay, I know destination is changing. You can see from here destination is changing. I have written that. But can you understood why destination is changing?
Because this is our internal network.
Yes.
And we not publish this IP to outside
To
network. That's why we converted public IP
to private IP.
To private IP.
Anyone have issue in this one?
No, got it.
Tell me if anyone has issue in this one.
one last just a quick question. So can you show me that, okay, in such a way, can you put one public IP, like as a some 100.100.100, for that particular public IP, can you mention that NAT IP? Can you re-explain this?
I'm not getting which public IP you are talking about.
No, I'm just saying that, okay, you give the firewall public IP.
Yes.
Because if showing as a public IP only, right, it will not show that private IPs. So I'm asking you, okay, so how the, like, instead of this using this private IPs, can use any public IP, okay, and
Yes.
show me the, like, as a live scenario I can say, because in the organizations will be using public IPs. So here we are using as a private IPs. That's why a little bit confusion is there.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I want to see
Okay. 1 second. Let me do this.
same scenario. Okay,
Yeah.
I understood, but
Let me do this.
use
Okay. So let's suppose my outside IP is okay 94.206.93.210. This is my outside IP. Okay. Correct.
Correct.
A user is trying to go. The user IP is 10.10.10.10. Okay. Correct. Correct.
okay.
Okay.
What will be source IP? 10.10.10.10.
10.10.10.
And destination IP?
94.206.93.210.
93.210. Okay.
Yes.
Correct. Till here.
Yeah,
Yes.
right.
Now, after that, what will change? Only
Source IP will
source
Source
IP.
IP will change
Source
to
IP will be 10.10.10.
remain same. Yeah. Yes.
That's it.
So destination IP will be 16.21, right?
Yeah. So what is changing here? Destination is changing only.
Yeah, destination is changing. Source will be same.
See, if you are accessing outside server from inside, source will change. And if you are accessing inside server from outside, destination will change.
And now I understood clearly. That's why I asked her to put public IPs, so to help to understand easily.
Only this, 1 second. See, only this IP will be changed to this IP. Okay.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Now I understand.
David, you understood?
Yeah. I understand now.
And Nishad, you understood this?
Yeah, got it, Vijay.
Varun?
Yes, sir.
Tahir, you understood this now?
Yes, I got it.
So can I do this in firewall now? Directly on the firewall?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay, let's
ये सैटरडे क्या हुआ था सर क्लास में बहुत कुछ हो गया सर
नहीं यही हुआ था स्टार्ट से ही कर रहा हूँ स्टार्ट में थोड़ी फायरवॉल की इनिशियल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन की थी फिर यही कर रहा हूँ
ओके सर हम कुछ प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर पाए सर लेकिन हाँ डाउनलोड किया है तो सर्वर एंड विंडोज 8 को डाउनलोड किया है सर
So I have to open my web server on this IP. Okay, this is my public IP. You understood now? Hello?
Yes,
Hello.
yes.
Yes,
This is my public IP. I have to access my web server on this IP.
Okay.
Okay. So I open my firewall. I have to change. What I have to change? I have to change my destination.
Yeah, right.
Okay. I will go to where I policies and objects, virtual IPs. I will create new virtual IP. Okay. I will name this publish Ubuntu. Okay.
Okay.
It can be anything. I have to change the destination. Okay. So
Okay.
external IP address 192.168.1.1.49,
49.
and this will be changed to the IP 172.16.16.21. Okay. Now change the port also. External port will be 80 and map to port will be also 80. Okay.
सर पोर्ट का क्या चेंज पोर्ट फॉरवर्डिंग का मतलब क्या है व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ
पोर्ट
पोर्ट
मतलब हमारी वेब सर्वर जो अंदर में भी जो वेब सर्वर है ना वो 80 पे ही पोर्ट नंबर 80 पे चल रही है और हमारे एक्सटर्नल आईपी पे भी 80 पे ही चलेगी. ठीक है.
हम लोग दूसरा कुछ डाल सकते हैं इंटरनल के लिए.
आज डालते हैं इंटरनल के लिए नहीं डालते हैं, एक्सटर्नल के लिए डाल सकते हैं, भी करते हैं, वो भी करते हैं. आई विल गो क्रिएट पॉलिसी नाउ फॉर दिस. Publish Ubuntu. Incoming will be WAN interface. Going to LAN interface, port 2. Okay. Source can be anything, all. In destination, we select the VIP which we created now. The publish Ubuntu. Services can be all. Now that's it. Okay. The source all. Okay. I will try
Okay.
to. This is working, but this is working, but this is not appearing clearly.
सर आपके पास वो 49 में कोई सर्वर कॉन्फ़िगर है ऑलरेडी?
हाँ है ना. Okay, just let's change the port because port.
We need to put the port over there.
No, we
on
don't
the URL side.
You know, we have done too many things on this IPs. Okay, that's why it's maybe we need
No,
to
just try this 192.168.1.49:80.
Yeah, that might work because we have done too many things on this this IP. That's why we have to delete the cookies. It's not coming. See,
Yeah.
maybe we have to
cookies delete.
Let me try in some other browser.
Anyone is installing the web server 2012? Hello guys.
Hello. See this here. 192.168.1.49. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everyone understood?
Ubuntu default page.
But now I have one question. You understood this, everyone?
Yeah. Yes.
You got it.
Yes.
Now I have one question. Let's suppose my firewall is working on port 80. Means currently I have put my firewall on 8080, but now I will go on to publish my firewall on port 80. So what will happen now? I go on.
Not working.
I will go on the settings and put it 80. There will be conflict, no?
Conflict.
Yeah.
So what will happen now? See, this is also not working now. On port 80, that's working. So I think we messed up something. How I will access firewall now? We missed. Now 8080 will also not work. This will also not work now.
So again, from
Both is
CLI.
not working.
Yeah, we'll have
CLI is disable this.
We'll have to do this from CLI somehow now. We missed things. So what we should do in this case? Tell me.
We have to
We have
disable
to-
Suppose
that
our
port.
firewall is running on port 80. So what we will do? How we will
Can we for managing firewall, can we add another port, the IP?
No. We were doing this.
Disable the 80.
Currently, we were doing on 8080, no firewall. We were managing firewall from port 8080.
What I'm saying that in Palo Alto, like Palo Alto, you told me that you have in interface, you can management interface, you can do another port, right?
Tell me. How we will do that?
सर 8080 को डिसेबल करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, एक किसी को तो फर्ज करो कि मेरा ये चल रहा है, मेरा फायरवॉल चल रहा है उस पे 80 पे, तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम Ubuntu कैसे पब्लिश करेंगे?
We have to go to that port, particular port and disable, Vijay.
No, I don't want FortiGate on port 80.
तो FortiGate का पोर्ट चेंज कर देंगे हम लोग. HTTPS कराएंगे पोर्ट पे. HTTPS.
अब वही बताओ मुझे कि अभी कैसे करें इसको.
कैसे करेंगे? कमांड
हमारा
से.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मेरा पोर्ट 80 पे चल रही है फायरवॉल और हमें पब्लिश करनी है कोई सर्वर. तो कैसे करेंगे उसको? हम
लोग उस पोर्ट को कोई दूसरा उस वेब सर्वर के लिए कोई दूसरा पोर्ट असाइन कर देंगे, लाइक 8080.
हाँ, वो कुछ दूसरा असाइन करेंगे.
हाँ, दूसरा एक मतलब एक होता है ना, वेल नोन से बाहर हम लोग कोई एडवर्टाइज करेंगे.
हाँ.
तो 1025 से ऊपर 24 से ऊपर Guys, anyone install Windows Server 2012? Hello.
2019 I installed.
Oh. Okay.
Brother, 2019 I have installed server.
Okay, got it.
Okay, now I have just missed the configuration. I will have to change the put.
कौन सा इंटरफेस होता है सर?
क्या?
वो जो चेंज करेंगे किसी कहाँ पे जाके इंटरफेस पे जाके चेंज करेंगे?
नहीं, वहाँ से आपको समझ में आ रही है ना?
अभी फायरवॉल लॉगिन हो गया, लेकिन शायद वहाँ पे सर एंड करके सेव कराना पड़ेगा।
कहाँ पे?
वो जो CLI पे एंड लिखना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज नॉट वर्किंग। CLI पे सर, CLI पे
क्या करना पड़ेगा?
एंड एंड एंड।
He's telling that on CLI we need to put in.
Vijay, in real life, real scenario,
Okay.
is it the same? Outside interface, management interface is the same.
No.
So in real scenario, you will give another port. I mean the interface port for the management, right?
Yes. If it is not working, I will just restart the 48. So I have already done the changes. Let me restart. You should understand that properly, okay? Because if you go to for every firewall, you will have the same concept there. The concept won't change, whether you change the firewall or not. Okay?
Okay.
So you should understand that properly. So to press add the port to get the voice. Okay, now it's working. Admin, admin. Okay. So let's suppose my firewall is working on port 80. Okay. Now
Okay.
now I will see this is working on port 80. So where on which port I will publish this server? We can choose some other ports to publish this server. Okay. How we can choose some other ports? We go to the policies and objects. We go to the with. We go here. See here, TCP port 80 is translating to port 80. So we will change this. External port, maybe we can put 8888. Okay, external port 8888 will translate to port 80. In 10 minutes, my line will disconnect. Then we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So
now this will not work. This will not work.
sir, what is the virtual IP?
Now we'll have to go there for 8888. Understood now? Yes, virtual IP.
What is
Virtual IP is a translation. Is a NAT is a NAT.
NAT translation. So
In
if there is another private public IP is available, like not my one interface port.
This is just a NAT. 192.168.1.49 is changing to 172.16.16.21, and TCP port 8888 is changing to port 80. This is just a NAT. Okay.
Sir, I call you after end the class. I have doubt, sir. A personal doubt है.
Okay.
तो आपसे थोड़ा बात करना है. Can you receive the call? Okay.
Nishad, you got it?
Yeah, I got it, Vijay.
You can see what is changing. The IP is changing, the port number is changing.
Yeah. Got it. Vijay, you will share the video, right?
Yes, I will share the video. Arun, you have any doubt?
No, I'm fine with that. Okay, I want to know. I think you not started the concept about like as a port netting, right?
Yes, this is port netting.
This is only port netting, right? Because I just felt like there is a difference between the IP netting and port netting.
No, this is
Oh,
port
that's right.
netting now. The port is changing. 8888 is changing to port 80. You can see here.
80 years.
Our web server is running on port 80, But now this port 8888 is changing to port 80 now. IP is also changing and port number is also changing. If anyone have issue, can tell me. Jibin, you understood?
Yeah, yes, sir. Now I'm getting understand.
Okay. Anyone have any issue? Otherwise, we'll discuss it tomorrow. The same thing, because I know it's not easy to understand in one time. You will have to practice.
Yes, we need to practice otherwise.
So one question, Vijay. So the private, so in real scenario, for me, I don't have real experience. So I'm asking you that in real scenario, the private IP, the ISP provide, right? So we will do the configuration here, right?
Private IP ISP provide, I'm not getting.
No, sorry,
This is a
public
real
IP.
scenario. Just treat it as a scenario. This is real. There's nothing different in real. You can treat it as real. You have to do the same thing in real also. You will have just change the IP address only. IP address will be different. There is nothing like it is virtual or that.
Okay.
Real. This is real. We do only this thing. We don't do anything else. In real, it's like real. Just IP address is assigned. We have private IP, we have public IP. Just treat this IP as public IP. This is real. Okay, anyone have any other doubts? Or else we'll do tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay, Vijay.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.